Hi students, today it is the continuation part of the microbes in the human welfare. Okay, so microbes in the industrial product. In the last class we have discussed about the microbes in the household product. Today in this class I will discuss about the microbes in the industrial product. Now in the first point I have you have seen that I have written fermenter. The fermenter means the production of the microbes on the large scale. That is called the fermenter. In the fermenter there is a presence of the essential nutrients are always there, so that the microbes can grow in a perfect manner. Okay, see, this is the picture of the fermenter I am showing you. Here it is a vessel are there and efficient kind of nutrients are there in this fermenter so that the microbes can grow. Okay, when the excess nutrients are there, from this pipe the excess nutrients is generally go out, and again the fresh nutrients are passed into the another pipe so that there the bacteria can get the constant nutrients for their growth. So this is the most effective function of the fermenter. Another thing is that the right temperature regulation along with the other external factors are highly can be managed by the help of this fermenters. Okay, so that's why the microbes can grow easily with this help of the fermenter. And in this picture, see, it is a fermentation plant. Now, I will say you the second point, that is the fermented beverage. Fermented beverage means the microbes generally yeast. Already I have used, that is used in the case of the bread making procedure, right? So that is the Saccharomyces cerevisiae. But these microbes are also used for the production of the beverages like the wine, beer, whiskey, brandy or the rum. Okay, now we have all seen in the fermentation procedure there is a production of the ethanol, right? And this ethanol generally enhances the formation of the production of the beverage. Now let's come the next point, that is the antibiotic. What is the meaning of the antibiotic? Antibiotic is generally, the anti means the against and bio means the life. So it is the against life, right? So when the reference to the human beings, there is a generally they are the pro life, not the against life. So antibiotics are generally produced by the help of the microbes to kill them or to retard the growth of the other disease causing microbes. That means it creates a positive impact on the immune system, right? The first antibiotic was produced by the Alexander Fleming, that is the Penicillium notatum, and after that generally the constant discoveries or the invention of the antibiotics are occurred so that the immune system can be enhanced and the microbes, that is the antigens, can be easily removed from our body with the help of this antibiotics, right? Now let's come to the last thing, that is the chemicals, enzymes and the other bioactive molecule. Now what is the meaning of that? Microbes are generally, I have already explained, they are used in the case of the commercial and the industrial production, but it is also used in the case of the organic acids, alcohol and the enzymes. Suppose I am giving an example, that is the Aspergillus niger. It is used for the preparation of the citric acid. Another thing is that the Acetobacter aceti, it is another bacterium that is used for the preparation of the acetic acid, right? So these are the things through which the chemicals can be prepared. So two chemicals I have given example, one is the citric acid, another one is the acetic acid, right? Now another thing is that the microbes are also used for the production of the enzymes. Like for example, I have in the earlier classes I also have explained that the Saccharomyces cerevisiae are generally used for the bread making procedure, but it is also used for the preparation of the enzyme called the lipase. These lipase are used in the detergent formulation and it is helpful for remove the oily stains from the laundry, right? Another thing is, another example I will give you, that is the streptokinase. It is generally produced by the streptococcus and it is modified by the help of the genetic engineering, that is the gene sequences of that particular streptococcus is generally modified so that it can be used as a clot booster. and this clot buster generally remove the clots from the blood vessels of the patient, those who have undergone different surgeries or the leading to the heart attack. So here we have got a vivid idea about the microbes in the industrial product. So in the industrial product there are 3 points. One is the fermented beverage, one is the antibiotic, and the last is the chemical enzymes and the other bioactive molecules. Okay, in the next class we will start about the microbes in the sewage treatment. Just go through it, and if you have any problem regarding it, just convey that. Thank you.